Sandpaper holders. We've got 3 shapes. Got our trapezoid, the wedge, and the square. We don't send them with sandpaper. You'll have to get your own. But they're great. They allow you to use more of the sandpaper, waste less, and just a lot easier grip when you're holding them. So cut it to shape, fit it in, and there you go. So depending on the shape, you can even use it for wood. We're obviously going to show you how to use it on leather. So the wedge and the trapezoid allow you to kind of get a beveled edge too on the sides a little bit easier. So what we're doing here is we've got 3 panels, or 4 panels actually of leather, and we've just made them flush. So that's going to be your step 1. Step 2, you'd add a bit of beeswax here. And step 3, you're going to give it a nice glassy edge. So those are our 3 sandpaper holders. That's how you use them.